Hello, today I am going to one new video about one seminar that conducted by our Department of Anatomy in Difu Medical College. And this seminar presented our first year MBBS student of our Difu Medical College. So the topic is the cadaver as our first teacher. So let's proceed.
Chapati, Roshni, Isa, Aisha, Priyanka, Jayla. And here unfortunately, she is not here, so I will continue the presentation. The importance of seeing and being able to visualize the verbs, muscles, and lessons is paramount. This is where Calibre takes the role of a first teacher. Is definitely the greatest of teachers, as it is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for the students. And this is very evident because we can clearly see, as we are approaching the end of the academic competencies, we can clearly see the deteriorating condition of the category in our academic department. The caliber is a silent mentor, teaching us the delicate balance between life and death, health and disease. They call the caliber will, but little do they know that caliber is the sole reason that I will be able to save someone, somewhere, something. ये
Dissection is a long history. It goes back to ancient civilizations such as the Europeans and Greeks who performed dissection for medical and anatomical purposes. Then came Leonardo da Vinci. He was an inventor and artist. He was also one of the pioneers in human dissection. His detailed and analytical
Please
study
don't talk.
which is already preserved, ready for us to dissect in the dissecting table. But we need to know what goes on behind before it becomes a cadaver. It first and foremost starts with the with the legal procurement of the body, which are majorly by two ways. First, being the noble donation by some individuals and
respected teachers, and my dear batchmates. Today, on this beautiful morning, we have gathered here to present our project, Cadaver as the First Issue. In the realm of medical education, the cadaver stands as a silent yet profound educator. Despite its lifelessness, the cadaver acts as a bridge between real-life application and its knowledge. Through dissection and exploration, the students embark on a journey of discovery, uncovering the intricate mysteries of human life while honing their skills and compassion. Now, Bitupan, you know where the word cadaver originated from.
Cadaver comes from the Latin word cadere, which means to form. Physicians of ancient Greece gained information about health and human body. The information entered Hippocrates, who laid the foundation of first medical school in the island of Kos in the 5th century BC.
That man that no date doesn't hold true in a distinction word. It is silent, yet holds a profound place in a medical student's heart. Once a senior secondary student gets admission in a medical college, he is now a new medical student of first year MBBS. He studies anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. And anatomy is a subject where he learns about cadaver and discovers the intricate mysteries of human life. Bitupan, do you know why cadaver is called our first issue?
Yes, Master.
Please take me out of the darkness from this so deeply, with a little bit of kindness and respect I will take. And I love to create heaven and the earth as I like to respect you day and night. Please be a little gentle with me when you bless me, for I am strength and I will never let you. My muscle will be cut out, so bones in the end, I know. It will be just an out in the river.
Student who speak. Oh, I shall be highly grateful to you, your first teacher. Kindness and respect is all you deserve. Even the heavens and the earth praises you for the sacrifice you made this early morning. I have been gentle and I said to you. You made us learn how can you be contrite when you are the reason we all are free. Thank you.
So, even after having so many things from the earth so far, we will start from the subject of the exposing. And here we present some flowers which is made up of petals, which like made up of fingerprints. So it signifies that if you touch and feel the whole day, we understand it better. And also there is some flower which signifies that numbers. And there are some flowers which get which represents us. So that's all.
Respected HOD Madam, respected professors, and my fellow batchmates. Today we are here to deliver a presentation on the topic cadaver as our first teacher. Today I want to take a moment to acknowledge and honor the cadaver as our first teacher in this medical profession. Human cadaver dissection has been an indispensable part of anatomy learning. Human dissection were first carried out by Greek physicians Herophilus of Chalcedon and Erastus of Chios in the early part of 3rd century BC. Anatomical knowledge of human body which can only be learned from cadaveric dissections. Thus, cadaver serves a dual role as the student's initial patients and also their first teacher.
Cadaver is your first teacher. It means that cadaver is much more than just a dead body. The following treatments of a journey in understanding the intricacies of the human. Though in silent presence, we learn not just about anatomy, but also the importance of respect, humility, and responsibility in our lives. Every incision, every exploration of the cadaver's anatomy teaches us invaluable lessons in the textbooks.
Come.